students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start question number 6 of exercise 11.3. So just I am reading the question. So this question, Simon wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover and of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost of 1 meter of lace cost rupees 15. So it's just look to the figure. So it's a circular table and this is where she is going to put the lace. Okay, the circular table, right? And diameter is given here. So lace, we are covering the whole distance here. So here we have to find the circumference. Okay, so diameter of a circular table is given 1.5 meter, right? So circumference of a circular table, when diameter is given, the formula is pi d. So just put the value of pi d here. Value of pi is given 3.14 multiplied by diameter 1.5. So you will get 4.71 meter, right? You will get 4.71 meter here. Now lace is to be put on the edge of a circular table cover. Therefore, the length of the lace required, okay, that is equal to the circumference required of a circular table cover. Okay, so for putting this lace, we want the circumference here. So circumference we already got 4.71. Okay, now the cost of 1 meter lace is given. How much? Rupees 15. So we have to find the cost of 4.71 meter. Just multiply it with 15, you will get the answer 70.65. Okay, so the question was very simple. So here in this diameter is given, you have to find the circumference, because circumference, why we are finding here, because we have to put the lace on this entire circular table. That's why we are finding the circumference here. So pi d, the formula, just put the value of pi that is given in the question, 3.14, multiply it, you will get the value. Then cost of 1 meter lace is given 15 rupees 15. So just multiply with circumference, you will get the exact value. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to next question, that is question number 7. So here the figure is one semicircle is given to you. Semicircle means half of the circle is given to you, in which diameter is given there. So we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter means from this distance and including the diameter. Okay, this curve, this distance from this point to this point and including the diameter, we have to find the perimeter here. So the diameter is given 10 centimeter. So the circumference formula for the finding the circumference when diameter is given, the formula is pi d. So the value of pi is given 3.14 multiplied by 10. So you will get 31.4 centimeter. Okay. So this is the circumference of a circle. Okay, not semicircle. It is a circumference of a circle. So we have to find the circumference of a semicircle. Okay, so semicircle means half of the circle, half pi d. The formula is half of the circle is semicircle. The formula is half pi d. Pi d means already we got the circumference, that is 31.4. So just half of 31.4. Okay, just cut this 2 and this 31.4, so you will get 15.7. Now this is the distance is, so this distance is 15.7 up to this point, and this is the diameter. So in the question it is given that we have to find the perimeter of a figure, perimeter of this semicircle. So what you have to do is, so perimeter of a given figure, circumference of a semicircle plus diameter. So this one, so we got 15.7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Okay, so that is equal to 25.7 centimeter. So we have to add from this point to this point, that is 15.7 centimeter. Then we have to add this diameter, that is 10 centimeter. The question is asking including the diameter, we have to find the perimeter here. So 15.7 plus 10 centimeter, that is 25.7 centimeter. Okay, this is the perimeter of a given figure. Okay, the question is very easy. Diameter is given. First you find the circumference. The formula is pi d, and semicircle means half of the circle. Just do the half of the circumference. You will get 15.7. Now the next question is to find out the perimeter including the diameter. So this portion we got 15.7. Now add 15.7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, you will get 25.7 centimeter. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. We now come to question number 8. I am just reading the question. So find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if rate of polishing is rupees 15 meters square. The value of pi is given 3.14. So it's a circular tabletop, okay, whose diameter is 1.6 meter, and we have to do the polishing on that top. So here we have to find the area, okay, not all we are talking about. We are talking about the polishing a certain area on the tabletop. So in this case we have to find the area, not circumference, right? So how to find the radius? Okay, so diameter is given to you. The formula for finding the radius is diameter by 2. So you will get the radius. So here the diameter is given 1.6 meter. So we have to find the radius, that is 1.6 upon 2. So you will get 0.8 meter. So we got the radius. So area of a circular tabletop that we have to find out. The formula is pi r square. Okay, r square means 2 times radius we have to use here. The value of pi is given 3.14 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 0.8. In the next step, what I did is I have just for removing the point, I just divide by this 3.14. I just divide by 100. 0.8 divide by 10, and same here, divide by 10 here for removing the point. So you have to multiply 314 into 8 into 8. So you will get 20,096 you will get, divided by 10,000. So 10,000, 4 zeros are here. So from the back side calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 and just put the decimal here. So it will become 2.0096, right? 20,096 divided by 10,000, you will get 2.0096. Now you're talking about the cost. Cost of 1 meter is given rupees 15. So we have to find the cost of 2.0096 meter square, right? So finding that, just multiply rupees 15 with 2.0096. So you will get 30.1440. So here we are going to take the approximate value. Approximate value means 30.14. After decimal, 2 numbers we are going to take. So this is the final cost. Okay. So hope the question is very clear to you. So diameter is given. So certain area we have to do the polishing. That's why we have not found the circumference in this question. We have found the area. So diameter is given. Find the area. Put that area in this pi r square. Multiply it. Just divide it for removing the decimal. And after that 2.0096 you will get the answer. So we have done this for make the calculation a little bit easier, that's why. Okay, and after the cost of 1 meter square is given 15 rupees 15, so just multiply with that, so you will get the final cost. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 9. This question is homework for you. So what you have to do it in this question, and I am going to tell you. First, one wire is given whose length is 44 centimeter, and first shape was made, that is circle. Okay, with this wire whose length is 44 centimeter, we have made a circle. So whole circle is made up of the wire. So first part we are going to find the circumference here. So circumference in which radius is not given here, right? So first we have to going to find the radius here. For finding the radius, we want the circumference. So here, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Here r is not given here, right? That we have to find out. So circumference is given how much? 44 centimeter. So what you have to do is, for finding the radius, we have to shift this 2 to RHS side and this 22 by 7 to RHS side. So while shifting, it will get reciprocal. Okay, this question we have already done in the previous exercise. So this calculation, when you cut, you will get radius 7 centimeter. Okay, after finding the radius, we have to find the next part, that is area of circle. We have to find out. For finding the area of circle, the formula is pi r square. So here we got 7 centimeter radius. Put that 7 centimeter in this area of circle formula, that is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so here you will get the area of circle, that is 154. So area of circle, that is 154 centimeters square. Now the next part, same wire rebent is in the shape of square. Okay, earlier it was circle, now it is square. So here we have found the circumference for the circle. So here we are going to find the perimeter, right? The perimeter of square, that is 4 into side. Side is given 11 centimeter here. So 4 into side, that is 44 already given, because 44 is the length of the wire that is rebent in the shape of square. So for finding the side, here we have to find the radius. So here we have to find the side. For finding the side, we have to do the division. Okay, finding the value of 1, we have to do the division. So we got the side, that is 11 centimeter. Now the next part is area of square, that is side into side, that we have to put it here. 11 into 11, that is 121 centimeter. So which shape encloses more area? That was the question. Circle or square? So circle is 154 and the square is 121. So circle encloses more area as compared to square. Okay, so this question is homework for you. To two things: first find the circumference, then area of circle part, then come to the square part, perimeter of square, then area of square. Then both the areas you have to compare it, which figure encloses more area. That in the final answer you have to write it, circle encloses the more area. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 10. This question is also homework for you, so don't get panic. So just understand the figure here. So first, one big circle is given here. Okay, then out of which this two small circle radius is taken out, and this one rectangle. Okay, that is also taken out. So one big circle is given to you here. So first, what you have to do is you have to going to find. Since we are having three circles here, first one is big one. Okay, for big one, big circle, you have to use the capital R, and for these two small circles, we are going to use small letter r. Okay, so first you have to find the radius is given, the radius of big circle, right? The radius of big circle is given, that is how much? 14 centimeter. So first find the area of big circle. So for big circle I have taken capital R. So pi r, capital R square. So you will get 22 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. When you calculate it, you will get the answer 616 centimeter square. So this is the calculation of the bigger circle. Now we are having two small circles. The radius is given 3.5 centimeter. Here also you have to find the area of small circle, that is 3.5. So for one circle you will get 38.5. So since we are having two circles, just multiply with 2, so you will get 77. So this is the area of two circles, that is 77 centimeter square. Now we are left with this rectangle. Here also we have to find the area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 3 into 1, 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is the three things we have to do it in this question. The question is very simple. For the big circle, capital R, so pi r square for the bigger one. Same, pi r square for this two small circle, and for rectangle area, that is length into breadth. After getting that 616, 77 and 3, we have to find the area of remaining sheet. For finding the area of remaining sheet, what you have to do is, from the bigger circle area, you have to subtract area of two smaller circle and area of rectangle. Means from 616 minus, you have to subtract minus 77. This 77 is the area of two small circle, and minus 3, the area of this rectangle. So after that, after subtracting, you will get the answer 536. So this question is homework for you. Most of the things I have cleared here. Okay, for that's why we have used capital R here. For the big circle, that's why we have used here. And for small r, these two circles are there, that's why we have used small r here. So don't get confused why we have used capital R and small r here. For big circle, I have written capital R. For small circle, I have taken small r, right? And the rectangle area, that is length into breadth. Okay, hope this question is clear to you. So up to this video, we are going to do this first question in this video. Rest of the questions we are going to continue in the next video. Okay, hope it is clear to you. So just you have to write down the step. Most of the things I have already done here. So do it. So let's go through it. Okay, thank you.